short while ago, of course, you heard the Union Minister for Civil Aviation take questions on the AI-17 crash as well as the vacancies currently in the DGCA among a whole host of other issues. Let's turn our attention to also what's been happening in the Lok Sabha. What you saw was in the Rajya Sabha. But in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have taken on the Lok Sabha Speaker, claiming that opposition party members of parliament are not being given a chance to speak in the lower house. There's been non-stop sloganeering as well as disruption that had led to back-to-back adjournments in the Lok Sabha. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and also his sister, who happens to be a member of parliament from Wayanad, Priyanka Gandhi, they've accused the government of muzzling the voice of the opposition. Rahul Gandhi has also said that he was not allowed to speak. And Priyanka Gandhi echoed his statement as well, saying that if a government wants a discussion, why did they not let the LOP speak? That's the charge being leveled by Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi. The opposition has been demanding a statement on the part of the government on the Pahalgam attack as well as Operation Sindoor. Let's in fact listen in to what was said.
नहीं, देखिए सवाल ये है कि जो हाउस में डिफेंस मिनिस्टर को बोलने देते हैं, उनके लोगों को बोलने देते हैं, मगर अगर विपक्ष का कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है तो अलाउड नहीं है। मैं लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है।
सर, पीएम क्या सवाल आप चाहते हैं सर, जो प्रधानमंत्री
बट दौड़ के निकले हाउस से एक सेकंड में,
लेकिन
तो डिस्कशन
हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं, आप लोग बैठे।
हाँ, चर्चा तो होगी, अगर वो अलाउ करेंगे तो होगी, मगर इशू ये है कि कन्वेंशन कहता है कि अगर सरकार के लोग कुछ बोलें तो हमें भी स्पेस मिलनी चाहिए। हम दो शब्द कहना चाहते थे, मगर विपक्ष को ये अलाउड नहीं है। थैंक यू।
सर, क्या सवाल क्या चाहते हैं? क्योंकि कहने प्रधानमंत्री से ही आप चाहते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री का स्टेटमेंट होना चाहिए, किसी मंत्री के स्टेटमेंट को क्या नहीं मानेगा?
Rahul Gandhi claiming that the opposition members of parliament are not being a chance to speak, or given a chance to speak in the Lok Sabha. Let's also in fact listen in to what the member of parliament from Wayanad, Priyanka Gandhi, said.
तो चर्चा करें अगर तैयार है। अगर एलओपी को कुछ बोलना है 1 मिनट के लिए तो बोलने देना चाहिए। Adjournment motion. He was not allowed to speak today. He should be allowed to speak. He's the leader of the opposition.
Well, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika. Niyamika, the opposition, of course, demanding a statement as well as a debate and discussion over both Pahalgam as well as Operation Sindoor, and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi on the same page, claiming that they're not being given an opportunity to speak. Are we likely to witness this standoff continuing for some time to come, especially in the Lok Sabha, so long as there's no discussion on Pahalgam and Sindoor?
Well, yes, indeed, the logjam has started on the very first day of the parliament session, as we have seen both in Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, that how the opposition MPs were continuously raising slogans demanding Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be present there and to address the House. But on the other side, if we talk about the Lok Sabha in particular, then this is the latest statement which is coming in on the part of Rahul Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, that the opposition leaders are not allowed to speak within the House, as they were also talking about the Pahalgam terror attack only, and it is being alleged on the part of both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra that even the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha was not allowed to make his remarks, to make his statement, because they have been continuously raising this demand. They are asking questions regarding the Pahalgam terror attack, and the responsibility, the accountability needs to be fixed, and that is the only reason why it was a demand on the part of the India bloc leaders that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should also make a statement within the House regarding this entire issue. But now this is what the statement is being given by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra when they were speaking to the media. This is not a new allegation which they are putting forward. Earlier also in the past, we have seen that they had been alleging many times before as well that the opposition MPs are not being allowed to speak within the House, and that is what they are repeating this time as well. Rahul Gandhi has called it a new approach to run the House, that the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak within the parliament, and for that reason they are basically making this demand that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should also come forward and he should also, apprise about the entire situation, that what actually happened, why there was a security lapse that had led to the Pahalgam terror attack, and not just that, but they are also questioning that what has happened to those terrorists who were being involved in this Pahalgam terror attack, whether they have been caught, whether any action has been taken against those people or not. And not just this, but the opposition are also questioning the government of India regarding the repeated claims which are being made by the US President Donald Trump regarding the ceasefire announcement between India and Pakistan, because it is the opposition which is saying that it is a matter which is related to India and Pakistan, and why the third party is interfering into this entire matter. For that reason, they are asking questions upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he should come forward and he should give a reply that
So,
why
Niharika, let me just interrupt you for a moment. We have Mr. Manikam Tagore, Lok Sabha Member of Parliament, joining